Here are today YouTube. This is part 2 of the physical iPhone SE, in which we have successfully cleared off the unrecoverable block, in which unrecoverable blocks are cost much more just to fully clear off, in which we did not change the Imei, in which, as you can see, the Imei is there. And jumping back to the check status, it's the same Imei. So we successfully completed the service, in which, since I manually typed it in, I'm just gonna copy it, hit submit. It's just that with these new phones, with these new devices, they're gonna cost much money to clear off, in which, you know, if it's a new device, you're gonna owe a lot of money on that new device, if the device, especially in unrecoverable. So click validate. Shows outstanding finance, but it doesn't mean that the device is not cleaned or anything. It's just that much money was owed on this device. Thank you for watching. Tune in to our next videos.